Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel, and today we have the first non-functioning vending machine of chapter 3.
Well, you can refill your
2.
paratorch.
I mean, this is actually the second one, but someone, Oliver, destroyed it with the battle bus.
Oh, okay, get out of the driver's seat, get out of the driver's seat, get out of the driver's seat. Missile! There's a missile!
Bruh.
Damn, I'm going, bye.
Okay. I got mats!
We've been hit,
but you can't
build.
We've been hit! What?
We've been hit.
I got mats, but you can't build. Alright,
I know, it says that.
Bro, that's such a ripoff. Where are the missiles coming from?
Up on the turrets, they're all the way up high.
On the blitz. Oh! Okay, so nope, never mind, they have aimbot.
Okay, I'm gonna drive somewhere safe, okay? Watch it, watch it, watch. See right here.
They're above you. I hit them.
There's somebody healing right above us.
There's nowhere to hide. Come on.
Break down the last of that building.
Okay, I'm up on the blimp.
Break down the last of the building. There's a person up there. And we ran out of fuel.
Wait. Damn it, I was so close.
Oh my gosh, they have aimbot. Yep, you're right. They have aimbot. What? No. No, they have aimbot. Oliver, come on. Let's go.
I'm gonna get a gas can. Get off the blimp!
Oliver, they have aimbot.
I'm looking for a gas can.
Jasper, please come to us. Please save our butts.
Well, thanks for watching and have a good day.